Let him eat from your hand.
I'm scared.
No, put like this.
Can you do it?
I don't want to do it, but he will like you. Do it. Do it by yourself.
Please.
No, that's too much. Just give me one. Only one or two. Oh, he's scared too.
No, do it like.
Yeah, let me try.
Okay.
I hope he don't bite me. Here we go.
Yeah, that's why I'm scared.
Yeah, he's scared too. He don't want it. Yeah, he don't want to feed him. Aye.